Hey guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for your dyno stream, we happen to have one of our 416 cubic inch LS3 based freight engines. This thing came out absolutely fabulous. Customer asked us to do the blackout theme on here. He went with the black CVF all power steering AC serpentine system, the sheet metal style intake manifold, the Wagner coil cover valve covers, which added a nice pop to this engine. If you're interested in having one of these motors designed for your hot rod, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take your dyno run. I know you're going to love it.